Hi y'all, this is Susie and Willow. We are going to be making banana bread today. We have a bunch of
old bananas.
Yeah, so we're gonna make some banana bread. First of all, what we need to do is take our butter.
How much?
And it is a whole stick of butter. We're gonna put that in.
And it must be melted.
Yeah, melted. And then we are going to, we are gonna add sugar, and the amount of sugar is 1 cup. And so, let me see. I'm using half a cup, so we're gonna use 2 of them. So, 1, 2. Stir that up and make it like
all combined.
Yep, almost together. After that, we are then going to be taking 2 eggs, and we're adding 1 each, one at a time. And how are we doing?
Good.
Okay.
So it should be looking like that.
Sounds like and I did our oven for 325. And it sounds like it's ready. Start, and then we'll add another one.
Here, just add one. That's easier.
Also, by any chance, if you get the eggshells in,
pull them out.
Make sure that you pull them out. So we're stirring that
till it's all well combined.
And then what it says is that we, after we add the eggs, then we're going to get a different bowl, and we are going to put the bananas in there, and we're going to use a fork. And we are going to then add milk and cinnamon.
We have to mush the bananas all up.
So I'm going to start.
You should use the mashed potatoes musher. It works better.
I just use a fork. I like using a fork. So take it, dump the bananas that are really ripe.
Unripe.
They're very ripe. And unripe would be green, Will. These are very ripe. And
have nice bruises on them, which make it even better.
Makes it easier. If you do use green bananas, it'll be really super hard to smush them. Once you have these all done and in there,
and you can use a mashed potato masher. It's a bit easier, but she likes using forks. I don't know why.
Okay, so we have all that, and we're going to, so much easier when they're really ripe. It takes like a minute.
So while she's doing this, I have been mixing this up. It just looks like...
We're gonna put that to the side.
It looks like yellow, sugary butter stuff.
Okay, this is what this should be looking like when you're all mashed. So after, it says that we need to add into this milk and cinnamon. For the milk, we need 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Here's...
So 1 tablespoon of milk?
That one.
Into the banana mixture?
And 1 teaspoon for the cinnamon.
This is 1 tablespoon of milk.
Over.
A little bit over.
Put that away.
But it just makes it nice and creamy.
Okay, then it says to stir it around, so you can use the fork to do that. And then we're going to add into this the flour, baking powder, and baking soda and salt. So For the flour, we need 2 cups. And again, what I'm going to do is I am going to add the flour with 1/2 cups. Just easier. So, 1.
Is that granite? Oh, I thought that was sugar. Oh,
No, we added the sugar.
I know.
2. That's 1 cup. 3.
So how many cups?
2. 2 cups of flour. 4. Once the flour is done, then we're going to do the baking soda is a teaspoon. Baking powder is a teaspoon. So this is baking powder. And baking soda. Put that in there. And it said 1 teaspoon of salt.
Maybe do a little bit.
No, it
Sometimes
needs it.
Sometimes it's salty.
Okay, and there's the salt. After that, we are then to add in the mixture,
The
the
butter,
eggs,
eggs
sugar.
and sugar mixture.
You might want to also get a spatula to make sure you're getting all of it. Here, you can use that. I'll take that fork from you in a second. Let me just get all the rest of this. Because you want all the gooey. Okay, put that there, stir that. Okay. Once it's all stirred up and mixed really well, we are then going to take our pan and spray it really well. You know, I'm gonna go through all this and then not be able to get your bread out. That would be really bad. Okay, once you do that, then we are going to pour in the mixture. How are we doing?
Trying to get out the spoon.
Make sure you're getting everything in. Gonna have to really put some elbow grease in, get all the flour, get all the concoction. Make sure you're getting all the stuff on the bottom of the bowl mixed in as well. People forget about that. And probably sometimes it has some of the important ingredients. Okay, so when you are ready, it's gonna look like that. So what you wanna do is after you sprayed your bowl, you wanna start pouring it in.
And make it even.
Yeah, it's not gonna go all the way to the top because
That gives it room for it to rise in the oven.
Take my spatula again and get the rest of it. Okay. So once you have it all in there, kind of even it out a little bit, smooth out the top so it's nice. Okay, and then it says that you are going to put it in the oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Yeah, it's a long time, but when it comes out, it's so worth it. So we'll meet back after 1 hour and 10 minutes. Have a good one. Hi guys, back again. Well, it's been over 1 hour and some minutes. The banana bread is done. Here it is, the finished product, and it smells delicious. I can't wait to eat it. So hopefully yours turns out as well and you enjoyed as much as we are. Have a good one. Bye.